Hello, this is Dr. Rob Komenerick from the Alpha Male Medical Institute. You'll be pleasantly surprised to find that we treat you as a whole person rather than a collection of symptoms. First and foremost, we carefully listen to your story. What medications are you taking? What kinds of foods do you eat? Do you exercise? How does your lifestyle and stress level affect the symptoms that you are having? Because I am a board-certified family physician, I'm qualified to treat you for most outpatient chronic medical problems. Because I am a proponent of natural medicine, I will often choose dietary modification, lifestyle changes, or nutritional supplements before I prescribe prescription medications. Of course, this depends on the severity of the problem. Serious problems often mandate prescription medications, but many milder conditions can be effectively treated with safer natural medicines and supplements. I believe in giving patients a full range of options for therapy. Whatever therapy is offered is always made with the express approval and understanding of each patient. Another difference that you'll find here if you choose to join the Alpha Male Medical Institute is that I'm a great proponent of patient education and involvement. I believe in order for you to be your personal best, you must understand your personal program. I'll never talk over your head, and I'll go to great lengths to ensure that you have a good understanding of your problems and a workable solution to achieve your health goals. To get the maximal benefit from a prevention program, you need to be fully informed and engaged in the process. Prior to your consultation or elite health evaluation, you will be asked to visit one of our nationwide patient service centers for blood testing so that these results are available when you consult with me. Patients who see me should understand that this is a very comprehensive battery of tests. Laboratory testing includes measurements of all major hormones and various risk factors for associated heart disease, strokes, diabetes, and other chronic illnesses. Second, you may undergo some of the most comprehensive diagnostics in the comfort and privacy of the Institute that will further elucidate your complete health profile. You'll have an open-ended consultation with myself that provides an assessment of your current health profile strengths and deficiencies with recommendations and appropriate referrals for any additional testing that may be required. The cost of the consultation is only $2.99. Get the peace of mind in knowing where your health stands. This is Dr. Rob from the Alpha Male Medical Institute, wishing you all the best in your health and vitality.